Good morning, children. Let's start today lesson 7 Rise of Kingdoms and Republics. Sanya heard a story from her grandmother about Alexander the Great. Grandmother told her that he wanted to conquer the world. Conquer means, you hope you understand, he wanted to won all the world. He wanted to be the ruler of the world. He was a mighty emperor of his time. He even came to India, but except a few parts of northern western India, he could not capture any other part and had to retreat. Sanya wanted to know more about the Alexander, and she also wanted to know what the social and political circumstances in India were like when he was arrived. So let's start this lesson today. We learned in the previous chapter that iron came into use in the later Vedic period. Yes, iron, with the help of iron, people started making tools that helped them to clear the thick forest of the Gangetic Valley for people to form settlement. And thus they started a big settlement in the area. People started settling in one place. The small tribes of Janas that existed earlier now developed into a large kingdom. Small groups, we have learned already in the last chapter that small groups formed is known as the Janas, and now they together started to live in one place and become a large kingdom. These territories was called now Janpads. Okay, many Janpads formed between 600 BCE and 400 BCE. Often the Janpads fought among themselves for expansion of their territories. Okay, they are always fighting among themselves to gain more territories. The bigger or more powerful Janpads were known as Mahajanpad. First, a small form of group, they are known as Janas, started settled. After that, they increased in a large kingdom known as Janpad, and after that, Janpad become more powerful, known as the Mahajanpad. Let's start the Mahajanpads. Mahajanpad find mention in the Vedic, Buddhist and Jain text. These literary sources tell us that there were 16 Mahajanpad in the Ganga Valley in the 6th century BC. Archaeological excavation at Kasi and Patliputra also give information about these 16 Mahajanpads. The name of the Mahajanpad were often named after the most important tribe, which was usually ruling tribe of that area. Okay, there are 16 Mahajanpads. Names are Magda, Anga, Mala, Chiddi, Vatsa, Kashi, Koshala, Vazi, Kuru, Panchala, Matsya, Surasena, Ashamak, Gandhara, Kambuja and Avanti. Did you know the word Janpad literally means the place where people put their feet? Where they came first, that place is known as the Janpad. Now, the Janpad were of two types, based on two types. One is republics and second is monarchies. Now, what is republic? A republican Mahajanpad had no hereditary king. The rule of the Republic Mahajanpad was elected by the common people. As we are choosing our government, because India is also a republic country. So in republic, what happened? We choose our people, we choose our king, or we choose our who will be ruled us, or our government. The decision of the Mahajanpad were put to vote. Some important Republic Mahajanpads were Shakyas, Vazri, Malas, and Lichavis. Now, what is the difference between republic and monarchies? Monarchical Mahajanpad had a powerful king as a ruler, but the king had an organized army which helped defend the territory, and kingship was hereditary. Main difference is kingship was hereditary. After father, the son will be the next king. No common people are not choosing their own ruler. Okay, in the republic, people chooses their own leader, but in monarchies it was hereditary. Some important monarchies Mahajanpad were Magda, Koshala, Vatsa, and Avanti. Okay, next page. In this chapter, we are going to read about the more important or more powerful Mahajanpads. Who is that? Magda. Let's start. Up to today, read up to there and learn the key terms given in your back. Janpads are large kingdom formed by the people together of many tribes. Second, Mahajanpad. Many Janpad came together to form Mahajanpads ruled by either elected people or monarchies. Republic, a kingdom ruled by a group of elected people. Dynasty, a series of rulers belonging to the same family, succession of usually the eldest son of the king to be thrown. Revenue, money collected from taxes. Standing army, permanent army that is not dissolved during time and peace. So read the first and second page of this lesson, page number 74 and 75, and learn the key terms.